So I am making, welcome back. In this app, we're making Pacman. And I want to have Pacman just chase 4 ghosts around the screen. I'm not going to have a maze, but I am going to have the Pacman, the ghosts just kind of randomly move around the screen and have Pacman chase them and get points when he can eat ghosts. So here we go. I'm going to change the screen back. It's just hard to see in the development mode. So screen 1, we want its background color to be none. And I'm going to put in a table arrangement down here. And up here we're going to have LBL high score. And we'll go ahead and put high score :0. And its text can be some other color. And we can have another label in here. We'll call this LBL lives. And I think Pacman has 3 lives. And lives. Go ahead and center this horizontal arrangement. It's looking pretty good. And now we need some animation. So we need Pinky, Clyde, Blinky, and Inky. And we need guest appearance from Super Android and our Pacman. So I'll just go down here and I'll rename these. Image Pacman, image sprite Android, image sprite Inky, image sprite Blinky, image sprite Clyde, and image sprite Pinky. All right, so I guess I got to go do some GIMP work. And I just need to open these up inside of GIMP. And in here we'll also figure out how large these ghosts are. So here we go, and then all I'm going to do is take my selection and I'll just cut one of these guys out. And that's 172. Usually these are powers of 16. So 165 by 195. And you're going to select this. And I'll just do edit, copy, File New, and I'll do 165 by 195, and I hit Control V and paste it. And then here I will just go ahead and immediately add the dockable layers. Right click. So let me click off this guy. There he is. Click, add alpha, select the black, hit delete. And there is my Clyde. So file, export as Clyde. And you want to save that as a PNG. You want to put it in my documents. Probably want to put it into ICS1, Pack Attack, export. Okay, so that's how you export. That's how you create a background or a transparency. I'm going to do that 3 more times and we'll come back. All right, so here I am. I have gone ahead and created transparencies for all these, and I'm ready to go ahead and start putting them into my MIT app. We can go ahead and load a picture here for Pacman. Choose a file. Get to the right folder first. Good old Pack Attack. And there's Pacman 0. Gonna hit OK. And now what I'm going to do also is I'm just going to keep loading these pictures into this picture to get them into the media file. Okay. There he opened his mouth. A little bit wider. And now he's closing his mouth. And I'm really just putting these into the media file so that I can select back and forth from these. And we should be good there. So there we go. And now we can go get some. Here's Pinky. So we can go get Pinky. There's good old Pinky. And now we can get Clyde. Where's good old Clyde at? There's Clyde. And now we can get Blinky. Blinky. And now we can go ahead and get Inky. Upload that. That looks nice. And now we can get the Super Android, the debut. He's making his cameo appearance. PNG. And there we go. And now we're ready to start entering in some, I guess we could put in some buttons down here. Okay, so we'll need like, oops, sorry, button here. And so there's my first button. Second button. Third button. And my fourth button. Okay. So we've got BTN North. And we have BTN South. 5 minutes left. And we have BTN East. And we have BTN West. And now we can go ahead and make all these oval. and we can give them a size, kind of like the oval right there. And now what we can do is we can go to GIMP and make a button. Or we can go to the internet and just look up direction button. And you can go to images. There they are. And you can pick out some of these if you want. And I'm kind of One Direction. There you go. That's nice. The British Boys. I'm kind of liking the blue. I can also do gold. And then I can just go to edit this with GIMP. Really, I only need one of these, to be honest with you. I can rotate it. So go to GIMP, and you just open that up in GIMP, and really you can just select one of these. We could make that a pause button if we wanted to. So we could go ahead and figure out how large these are. Let's go to View, Show Grid. And this is a 400 by 38, so if you divide that by 9 or 3, wow, that worked almost perfectly. One 38 would be 120, 127. And we need to break this apart, so this is 133. Okay, so I am create all my buttons. Now I'm ready to put those in. I go in here, no text. Image. That's big. Height 32, width 32, no text. Yes.
If we were to watch the video on your Pacman and we make that, would that be like credit? Or like, could that count as another ad that we make? Or no?
Okay, so there's my directionals. Yep. We can do the walk-up. Okay, so I found this cool background. Now I'm going to insert this cool background into my app. Canvas background image. There we go. So let's go ahead and make our images 32 by 32. All right, so now we're ready to get them to start moving around the screen. Okay, so that's kind of my GUI there, and I hope you enjoyed this GUI building, and we'll come back to you with code blocks. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.